Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add tracking number on Depop. Alright, so let's begin. First, log into your Depop account as an administrator. You should be in your dashboard, which displays an overview of your product catalog, showing items that have been sold, shipped, or are in other statuses. To access or update the shipping label for an item, locate the item in your product catalog. Click on the corresponding shipping label for the item you want to modify. This action will take you to a page where you can view the shipping details for the selected item. Here, you will see options to add or update a tracking number for the shipment. You can choose to enter a tracking number manually, or you can use an automatically generated number from the website. The interface allows you to select a courier service, such as UPS or USPS, and input the tracking information accordingly. Once you have entered the tracking number, confirm the details by clicking the appropriate confirmation button on the page. This action updates the shipping information and applies the tracking number to the item's shipping label. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your shipping labels and tracking information within Depop, ensuring that all necessary shipping details are accurately recorded and accessible. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.